So after a torturous ride, we made it to this beach. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's right on the southeastern side of the island. And you get to here and then there's it's kind of a temple and apparently 700 steps down to the beach. We're gonna see what we feel like. But right now, nobody is in the mood to drive back. And it's quite understandable because you come down from that mountain on a little, very small road that's so eroded. There's no more surface left. And on the downhill, 4 people on this scooter on the downhill is very bad because the brakes are on the limit, so you brake full. You push those pedals all the way to the grip and it's still going, so you're on the limits of the brakes, and then you have all the passengers from behind leaning on you, so it's quite tiring. So right now we hope it is worth it. Ah, there's a breeze again, so it's quite nice, but you can see the ocean is far below, so it's gonna be a tough one going down. And our legs are still stiff from yesterday's heavy climb. So once again, serious steps down, and it's zigzagging down a straight cliff. So there's not a lot of room for the steps or the stairs.
We just passed another tourist coming from the way from down all the way up, and he said that you walk straight into the water and it's not really worth it, and the photo opportunities are all up here. So the kids are a bit disappointed. So we've decided I'm gonna go down and see if it's worth it or not. The kid's gonna stay here on the steps, and Evan is still a bit higher up, busy with the drones. Wow, just look at these zigzag steps. Hectic. So the road continues. Okay, alright, I think the end is in sight. Let's see. Beautiful walk. You can see it's high tide. Right there is the Atu beach we were yesterday. And it seems to me it ends just there. Time to take on these steps back up and warn the kids it's not for them. So, coming to this beach, stay at the top, take beautiful pictures. It's worth it staying at the top. Nothing much down here. Don't know what it's like in low tide, but at least I'm burning all the calories from the fried rice and the fried noodles. This is just killing me. Really. I wouldn't say it was worth this. Oh man.
Alright, so this was it for our beach adventure. I went out with the drone, luckily, so I saw there were no beach, but Milani took all the way down, went all the way down, and there were no beach because it's high tide. So if you're looking for a beach experience, don't come to this place in high tide. Low tide, a different story, it's beautiful, but during high tide, no ways, don't do that. Okay, we're having a cookie break. Is it a biscuit or cookie?
A biscuit.
Okay, we're having a biscuit break.
Or a cookie.
Or a cookie break here in the middle of nowhere. So this is probably the most southeastern side of the island. We just got we've just been to the beach of Alta Beach. We don't go on high tide because then it isn't a beach. And this is our road. And it's like this all the way. This is actually a nice spot. But you can see the tarmac, the surface of the tarmac is gone at places, and that's what makes it so bumpy. But we are pushing on. It's going to be a long day on the saddle. I can feel it coming. But right now it's still early, and we have 1 or 2 more destinations we want to go and see.
And Daddy?
Yeah, Maggie, look at your huge leaf.
I got it here somewhere.
It's a humongous leaf. It's coming from these trees. And according to the teacher and Kayla, this is not a rubber tree.
Daddy, what is this? But it's actually crying.
Yeah, it's tears coming all the way. Oh, that's actually, do you know what this is? This is actually ants.
Oh, so I brought it for nothing.
It's ants that build these walkways up the tree.
Oh, so I brought this
Hello.
This is called scalabon.
I think they're doing their homework.
Which way? There or there? Oh man.
Harde gat wordt zachte gat. Are you ready to continue?
Yes, let's go.
Yes, handsome.
We are finished here on the eastern side of Nusa Penida. We've stayed here in Manta Sea View cottages for 2 days. A very decent place, no hot water and very salty water, so you never feel really clean because it's too much salt. But for the price, not bad. They include breakfast. It's probably best to go with the nasi goreng or mee goreng, otherwise you just get 2 eggs and a toast. But it was enough for us, and the prices are really good. It's like 15,000 for a breakfast. Everything's 15,000. Yesterday wasn't too good. We went to the one beach that was underwater, so the steps or the stairs terminate down into the ocean, so you couldn't get onto the beach, and there was no beach. You'll see on the drone footage. Then we wanted to push on to another beach, or the waterfall that terminates in a pool, but we missed the turn, and by the time we realized it, we were up in the mountain again, and it was just too far to turn around. So yesterday wasn't very productive at all. But now we're going to the western side, and I think it's called Bintang Hostel or something. We're going to stay there for 2 days and we're going to do that side of the island, which will be the Broken Beach, the T-Rex and a couple of other places. So we're very excited. It's move time again, so all the luggage on the scooter, very uncomfortable ride to our next destination, but luckily the road there shouldn't be too bad. The outside just as nice, quite windy, as you can hear perhaps, very windy. The road passing right underneath, it's not a very busy road, it's quiet at night. Swimming pool on that side, beautiful swimming pool overlooking the ocean.
Back and after our next destination. And this is all our luggage.